But the minute you are for there, as someone from my first business. A new papi amateur, the amendment, you are trying to bravo pay. A new papi amisha na brabota. So Facebook, so better Instagram, TikTok, fine for cassette. Arriba Rakatoria Rabasona. Why you are power, what's this one? No one will have the one woman, what I would have who will find out from Tomina with the Tomina Bravo. Bema Piero on any better, Avarino. Sad no means so cosa Berman so. Omiyama won't be yes. And the Busua and the Nomi.
Abuza for me Mamunina Makwaba, the Bagan and Sam TV so. Bomb so like video, be subscribe to the channel, not any notification. So be next time videos of this nature bar. Also on sabit makabi. Now I have some more. But you see in right friend Opambuor Odi for Ebenezer and Kumasi based prophet about the ministry and the kingdom work there. Means again, the reason so when be breeding my brain more Opambuor din, come about Ginny din papa Gusu Ginny din. Maybe an hour into politics will refer Opambuor Kamarenka. A can't so far Ghana who would din and now do any pa to 8 years Nanado Mamona Sebi Opambuor home. And for whatever reasons, or also on his own reasons here, one fan pen and another asem. Na Sebi Assembly Koswa. Yadi say babu eti for money. Last year, NDC for the power more so Rajon Dramani Mahama Inana or Bopa. It is alleged NDC for more sentiment Bopa said Debbie. Asasibo on my radio no monkoje. And no money chance as home months one chia. O match assassin once I be seeing it. Bosumi amno say assassin once must have PJBU. NDC communicators more sentiment and a gun ha assorete yura Opambuor ne asemo de sabi me de mobo to put me such the word your comment section. Say Kero Opambuor or come or Opambuor or ye or shen come we say we campaign party through at the NDC. Ye can't so far sabi. You do baby no more shen come sadane foot soldiers at the NDC ya. It me Opambuor film cause ye juma de ma NDC amenyo ko me kan okre. It is a politics near limited politics to a soft for some dear. Nay, just a soft be my NDC by power dear. Yintimi ye Opambuor in film. It is a dear nebesia. Afi NDC and your moho ben kwan to be solating your minipa. Sana sassy cromco just as an finism. All because of my by power. Almost I did last year. And you becan home, ya drench the home no muchaso. The kind of children much himself some nakoda. So more chama will be near Frisonoma assassin as a view. Minero says to see a year of Opambuor assassin or monster so then your more just assassin for your Opambuor. Maybe a gun and some TV, maybe a story won't say that. And let's be a story won't hold that. And into video no mebo, no what TV video no. Video NDC communicators kase any two nyina beto mo say I don't be two nyina wo video ma mebo video mo nyina matie video Opambuor kase say ye munim ko fa so gi tumi ma NDC wo complain about assassin video no ye be video na magana for tie eni mo ho be sem na NDC for ye ne
ye be se be kan sem nyina ye be se be kan sem nyina wo ye NDC ni now for Ubefa NDC, Council about Wabam, and two Babe Fassa. Ube Fassa. Now, we NDC, and who you command this who could be? You represent John Dalman, Mamma, some question. Who NDC? So, who person who Fassa. Now, who we end the Wabayam to now, who please at time, Casaman this now can be. Then some account to be cabby. They were the first see what was your need pain, they were the first see a beer. Do I have permanent so about the first? Would you plus over fast? Would you plus over fast? Catch a one and also catch and will be a assassin. We don't make catch out. I saw paying the cry and German. Not for the to me, I'm ready. When I miss one of my memo with the Miracle and everybody shall be a sofa. What the yak can say? And one person there was sentiment. No one person on a kunya when you're very careful. Yes. So one person be was Santamamua. No one person na kunya no when you're very careful.
Yes.
So when you're very careful. O dear bro, remember the Busiambo said to when you know me home. Me second to me second to and no me about
It's Munyamai.
I rather shall be. Yes, I'm a judge in a mum.
Prophet, yes, I don't ask him here. I because I call you prophet, and you can people for what's the same payment? A bra part, oh, you're quiet, then people for buy, oh, do for die. You better quiet no man, sorry. And a prophet, you just see baby, yes, you know. Yes, a Saba, the half. And a prophet, Pastoral, NDC, Apa, almost have a sayable. Now, why that's a door should do. A door should do. After 1 year, between September, money away. October, November, December, near 2026. It would have master campaign time. I think you ever kind power. Campaign time, I think you ever kind power.
The campaign was one in the Panama Macau. Campaign is on any Panama.
Robert Obama, Mijinai, Opambuor Att, and no one rather to my baby class prophet. Your function, young Quania, did the prophet. And the Edgema Dane, eh? Couple of reference Roma. Prophet, and son of man, no crap out, prophet. I quite fini. Oh, yeah, the enemy sank NDC for the mobile first 3 months of crap. Oh, I call 1 year. Eh? Why you have to say free one can you answer Radian Munyam, then Munyamna Peja Asante region. Oh, Asante region, Asante Moses. Nancy prophet on you. Yo.
Rarisha Ghana. The Ghana Kosumai. Jesus Christ Nazareth.
Because prophet says, excavators are Kosia Kotia Kwanswa. Ne Agyeta Kotia Kwanswa. Prophet, I don't excavate Tamba.
What do you do?
Prophet, a quiet boss almost said, "What you point Yakopo?"
And me and ya sorry. When you meet me, why they are sorry. So you meet me no ha. Near when you meet me, ya sorry. Then young could you be once and ya no Yamidia to Manamaya. You two men, you find sorry. Then find Yakra Murande. Emphasis uncle and your ray.
When I'm ready for Yakupo to me and the NDC for my power. Tell to me and the 2 MPP for Fiaconyaso. And the Asante Memua, voter NDC in your bid this particular election, Prophet Omanyam and Abroso. And your target almost set here, Prophet, at your woman said.
Said to me now, I rather the 2 MPP, the NDC by.
Yes, sir.
Part
of that's why.
And one, take on or two.
And that's.
When you miss one. To me no
I will. And you want a prophet with the Abu Guquan so. I'm a prophet, can't meet your moha. And you can't obey to meet your moha prophet. Can you bet me for one foul? I don't know, Cobas a politician, and go to me, we are prophet. I say, Omura by any man as Murefi, Mintiasi. Oh, a quine back what, Jedian Ponya Copoma, your first class sorry fee. 1 year ni. Said Brady was over Yame Brady. 1 year ni. Oh, our prophet. And then the couple different as a separate breaks you home. And the Apoya Gukwa and Swa. And can form cranny pet to be found on my sorry fee. I remember in your sound. Sir, on your coupon before, on your own sound. Said a radical such a wood chin with the chin. Tina baby, a wood chin na prophet. What down man? Am I ready to the band? Every this is for the ready as a prophet. A quine, as some first quine, prophet, or mobile in 10. You were a Santa Regina chairman of NDC. Nana question battle. Also, a quine baby, I mean 10. Hey, a quite finu. But as a matter of a prophet, but Makuma was some permanent, say a man free inquiry in area. Now, finish a query yano. September, money away. Yeah, October, November, December. So we excavate about Kokra and 1 trip cram a good quines. Oh,
when I come in, sorry. When I'm shy.
Prophet, you are presented a TV station here. ɛwɔ radio station ha hwɛ akoma pa ɔmo de ta wɔ Nyankopɔn kom se yɛti kasa ayɛ prophet ɛne ebi mu nya appointed to kroma kura prophet o de nkomo metena so kura sɛ yɛnum bɛyɛ program kura a appreciate mu prophet enipa eboni ayɛ o asema yɛ ka ne ni bi sɛm o prophet NDC mpanimfo bie ni wa aba sɛ ɛne papa so mo ni so wɔyɛ kola mo ni so wɔyɛ sɛ babs NDC ni panyi pa program wɔyɛ yɛ ba kura bɛkasa apagya TV na apagya radio sɛ asantebe mu a TV station wei any radio station when a customer NDC. I want me to meet today. Am I about Opia? Robert, I told I would tell semi crowd. Almost to be friend penny for me because someone your mocasa. Prophet, yeah, my business, and I jump. Over one saw a castle FM station for fraud. Radio station so. Oh, being and watch out, class and see prophet. Can I ask him? Hey,
and the end, any banana cola ain't NDC in Baco. We program a year pastor. No, what church ya NDC from penny for you what church and a number for church and son or casa.
Wow.
To we and what church we casa. Let me mammy so did you call Comacola? I said, what Musa NDC note was say? If we didn't know what is in Tianura, ya watch Tianura and a will run so. Unto Yamini Empire, ya bonny, obtaining commission, ya mamma power moody and Chianso by it, and Chiaquanso by it. And son, call a bonum and in a casa or Bomidias or Chami. A video we have some young Casamibu, I could make us a prophet. We said, and it's awful. Oh, you're quite sorry. Yamitias. Enti ye free ani yako onyamisha obia na rade mo obia ho ban ene ya sori kese obia ntum ne camera sori kese anini onyamitom ni ban ba ko oba program le bi ti kwan omunye kwan nem oba sura anam so omusika chance opambo kwa ya dia abo abegu
anya sa account in faso
account mi kan faso na onya bebu kran fa de so famure
anya sa account in faso
dos yanya yanko na yanko yenyam juma everybody shine onyameti
Robert ya kwan de Pastoral NDC from penny for Pastoral mama maso nte so meye kwan na mewrade ani bi de sampa na yaka no heater chire di pamu no
chaso
heater chire di pamu no
chaso onyame ehu yamabo na oni akoma so ade nyina mai we Yesu dimo enu tempeli for so for me ni mete wono we beka so Opambuor nye ba me hwedi me hye me di ase a ya na yeja me phone say panimu bi wokuma say ya wo NDC ni mo yetu radio mpo se se papa stone kra frɛ se ko la frɛ panimu bi en wonya dibre wa ha opeso obi kwa ono mbika say o station
afede munim ni akru
munim ni ye biem so what ya say se me cha say me kasa obegina bi so Opambuor nye but me be say me kasa. I'm
not saying it's right, but he has this reason why he didn't call you again. And you, as a woman, you cannot tell me, say, maybe Emma may say, Emma wouldn't even call date me, free date, and I say, I won't block in a number. And I will be J with number. Emma wouldn't the number, they might depend on won't go still in Paneda. Simply because as a fly is a public figure. Until let me come and disgrace the guy. Please, once you are there, throwing your temper tantrums, no, consider the woman he has married. And also your bar. That is someone's husband. So before you start dragging someone's husband's name through the mud, because you think say your feelings were hurt, no, consider the woman, the other woman. Now you're worrying, no. That is what I'm going to say about this issue. Thank you. Lopez, I think that's who dia odete up you so. Get over it. Me person me who another video. I say you are going about still talking about this thing and still posting. Get over it. You are not the first person who be no code date one free will be you. Or no code date and say you what kind of turn as one free. One free will be him simply because he was no longer interested in whatever he wanted to start with you. Eh be no be on my opel. The moment I was see we share face to face I was see we no mukasa nekwa I putting it off on person be catch up e say bia wo kasa anya me de ana asa ne wo ye wo niama enya me fe enti man frɛ wo biem And also your idea, so wa kwa walinti, e beso come and say, me paso me bisa. Kwa ya ordinary guy be obi enim na nka beso come na ba chirichiri. Madam ya munchai sir. You people should stop that. Enough already. Ebusiafo, let me go back to politics because that is what I do.
Pacho, we don't mean when Jamia Minkabi.
What you mean, Kasama?
Equia. Yana and Sembi say, I'm a hard. Some of us are girls. And you know, you who say any animal money be yes, and ye my way up. No, Mama, yen says if him. And then Remu, are there free lunch anywhere? I thought that there are no free lunch. And she said, Bema about DM. Na se one akwa few dates. Now he never pushed to have a carnal knowledge of you. And he has given you all the indication that, look, this isn't going to work. Is it? I don't know. Why didn't she come out to say that he has gone on few dates with Asefua and Asefua has ghosted her before the marriage? So this one, it is a woman attacking another woman's progress. And that is why somebody rightly said that women are our own enemies. And so if you ever pick a phone and switch on your camera to start to drag the man thinking that you are empathizing with another woman, just know that another woman is going for another woman's home. That is what it means. Because I'm not sure, say, Yenre Yana Asefua ne nuko dates now, when Fino. Asefua might have done this months ago.